You can effortlessly create realistic procedural knitting effect in Blender with the knitting generator add-on. You can use the add-on on any kind of mesh you want, and you do not need UV mapping for the process. Just adjust the subdivision level and it will automatically adjust itself. You can check Add Secondary Fibers button and add additional details to your scene.